Quick spec.
Good day everyone. Ito yung DJI Osmo Action 3 yung box niya, which is Adventure Combo. Ang kasama ng Adventure Combo ay yan yung package niya sa isang box. May 3 batteries, may 2 quick release adapter mount, may isang horizontal vertical protective frame, isang 1.5 extension rod which is the monopod, multifunctional battery case, meron siyang battery indicator, pwede rin siyang gamitin as power bank which in any device. Then ang Action 3, yan, solid siya, premium yung plastic niya. Punta naman tayo sa video testing.
Biking. I was holding the camera, no mounts, and the settings here. Standard D-Warp field of view. Field of view white. Field of view ultra wide. Rock steady on. This time rock steady off. Field of view wide. You see the difference. And this time walking, settings there. Field of view standard D-Warp. Field of view white, rock steady on. And field of view ultra wide, rock steady on. And this time rock steady off. And the other video is rock steady on, same settings. Running standard D-Warp, horizon balanced. Field of view white, rock steady on. Normal color. Field of view super wide, same settings. And rock steady off. Field of view wide. This time HDR 2K, horizon balance. And the other video has color profile normal. I recommended use Advocate Lightning for HDR. This time driving is the settings. Horizon balance standard D-Warp. Same settings. And the Action 3 was mounted inside the windshield. This example of vertical video, same settings. You can post at stories, reels, or shorts. Hyperlapse vertical mode. And hyperlapse standard D-Warp. Hyperlapse wide view. Resolution 2K. And hyperlapse super view, you can see my stickers on the windshield. This time time-lapse, cloud scenes, 2K, format video 2 seconds. Na slow-mo of 1080 times 8, standard D-warp. And here's another one. This time video 2K, slow-mo, standard D-warp times 4. And same here, same settings. And for low light and night mode, this is my best settings so far. And obviously the video is more usable because of less jittering and less video noise. This is the best tool for your daily moments, vlogging, travel, or even cinematic. This camera has no excuse to capture your every moments, even you are underwater. And it's up to your creativity, editing, and how you conceptualize your video story. And remember, the best camera in the world is the one you own. By the way, this is RG, and I see you on the next one.